Olaf turned to Lalaloot Craft to help Elsa make a kitchen of her dreams. Let's build it. Make walls out of styrofoam blocks for a future kitchen. Outline wavy sides. The contour is ready. We just need to polish. Cut out a window. Hey, hey! The floor is covered with snow. There is frost all over the walls. First, the sparkly floorboards. Olaf is helping us cover the window slopes. Ah! Scissors! Wait! Yeah, I'd like to snowboard here. A big snowstorm left snowy fluff with silver snowflakes and glitter. Shake, and they became white. Glue a matte semi-clear tracing paper to the backside. Wow, a pink world! Silly Olaf, this is holographic tape. A stained glass from sparkly icicles. Add wood for an inner frame. That's much better. Secure the hooks to the wall. Look at this fabric! Thanks, Olaf. Tighten it to look like this and put it on a ledge. The bottom part of the curtain is also decorated with beads. Hey guys, look what I brought! The sides are covered with strips of foam paper. Draw frost. Put the sink in the corner. Secure a faucet with 2 glass knobs above it. Make outlines on cardboard. Build a new stove out of pieces. Cut mirror tape. Use an old mesh fabric for the grate. A straw turned into a handle of a stove. Trim buttons from an old skirt. Make spiral burners out of a gold wire. The stove is ready. Trim the sides. Take a cardboard frame. Paint it to look like metal. Decorate the attachment points with silver foam paper. There are holographic snowflakes on the frame. Foam paper is hiding it too. Old box caps will come in handy for making a cupboard. Trim chopsticks. Hey, it's made of ice! White beads will serve as attachment for legs. Paint them blue. Minimalistic table looks very stylish. Make the frame of a fridge from cardboard. Metallic color will match the interior. Make doors out of white sparkly foam paper. A silver cartridge from hot glue will serve as a handle. Olaf is here as always. Tie the curtains with pine branches. Sharp icicles are hanging from them. A glass bead from an old lamp became a chair. There is a clock on the wall. The table is ready for guests. Oh, we need flowers here. Olaf is waiting for Elsa. She's gonna love this kitchen. Take some plastic. Put it inside a 3D pen and start work on a kid chair. Line after line, we made a seat with legs. An old crown doesn't need pom-poms, but we'll need them. Hey, there are so many snowballs! There is a sequined snowflake on top of the back. We need a perfect circle. Sew the details to make a chef hat. Try it on, baby. Ho, ho! Culinary masterpieces will be created here. Cut glittery fringe. Bend the edge. Wrap with fringe like this. We made an artificial Christmas tree with silver pine needles. The Christmas tree has a support now. How beautiful! You can feel the holiday spirit. Cut wooden skewers. Glue it like this to make a secure stand. The construction is holding a garbage bag. A garbage can is near the sink. The chair took place near the kitchen table. And the Christmas tree is sparkling with lights in the corner. Olaf to show memorable magnets. Look, it's me on vacation. Snowman squad, come here. Take your places. Start cooking. A berry pie was ready. It smells so good. The whole kitchen is filled with holiday spirit.